Atupito ne komisiona loikisi la Eurieta Agaria Deisi Achiro nyese balebe Alokak kesi alomakisi Ailoka Aiboisio nu Eurieta Agaria ibore yenda ainaki enabala Agaria ijesuni kuopko Uganda koto mokisi la alu Agaria Aiboisio nu kesi de rainu ebeit ayuarit abala Achiro.
We have a big project that is we are blessed that we are supported by the German government. We are doing a massive validation of the fish breeding areas in all the lakes of Uganda, but specifically Lake Choga, Lake Bisina, Lake Opeta. We are doing mapping of all the fish breeding areas, and we will encourage the community not to fish in those areas so that we sustain and exploit those resources.
Achiro ngesida mami yalama kaichie koto Alokak lueba la ngesida ebe alomaksikwa naitosome poison kanwalokia kanoda ale mar ilokana luaro koko.
We do not encourage the use of poison. I get you fishing with poison, my team will arrest you and you will be prosecuted. And we will not use the Fish Act to prosecute you, but we will use the Penal Code of Uganda to make sure that we take you to the prisons and you stay here.
Kanoda waitikokin aitosomao na ilokana luaroko kwa penat ekokota Eurieta Agaria kaniakwo puoko na ko Uganda nyeside jaitolosi aiwadikao na Alokak angolo lininu apoloka kwa puo konye eroko Alokak kaichie idada na kinosa aitosoma ilokana lumam ekisile chamakini aitosomao kane kotoma kwa puoko na ko Uganda.
Right now as we speak, illegalities are cropping again in our lakes. So this should stop. We must stop the illegalities, but also those handling those handling the issues of all officers in charge, FPU, district officials officers should be able to sensitize people. I want to encourage district officials officers in the sub-counties, in the parishes, in the districts, to sensitize the community.
Isula iluelo muntosi Eurieta Akor ibari ni Agaria kesike untosebe Uganda nyesida itolomi itanin itomona kanyilu Agaria kangini karu ido Agaria kesde tupa kintosi emwanyi onaba aloya rate kwa peda iboro luingare nitos luegwela nari apugan nako Uganda toma kwa pinin walkinga ido yanga unetenya dulo Paul Kanuka TV East Alexander Makeyo Kori.